Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Wondershare Filmora for free. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to search the sentence here. For example, I'm going to search for the Wondershare Filmora. We have to write this here. Wondershare Filmora download. So I'm going to write this. And now we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, you will be able to see the websites here. Now you have to choose that which one you want. So as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to click on this. As you can see, as the button is also provided here. So I'm going to click on this free download button here. You can also open the website here. So as you can see, get started for free. So we have to click on this get started for free. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, after a few seconds, our setup will be downloaded. So as you can see, now the setup is downloaded. As you can see, now the Filmora is here. So in this way, you can download the Filmora 14 for free. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download this. Now you just have to install this and enjoy it. So see you in the next video.